here. I'm back again because I saw this challenge in YouTube, the hashtag Overcome Challenge, where people share their insights or thoughts on how to overcome this COVID-19. I know we can't do as much as the frontliners do, but there are things that we can do to help the frontliners facing the virus and to help in maintaining a healthy environment for everyone. So I have 3 things to tell you guys. The first thing is really simple. It's for you. It's only you who can do it. It's for your health and everyone's health. You just have to stay at home. I know you have been hearing this for very long now, but it really helps, guys. Staying at home would minimize the risk of transmitting the virus and getting the virus. So it's really a simple thing, especially for those people who really don't have anything to do outside. And along with this phrase, stay at home, you also need to stay healthy. Get all the sleep that you need, get all the nutrients that you need, eat on time, and just take care of your overall health, because it will also help for you not to get the virus. So that's the first one that I'm gonna share to you guys. Stay at home and stay healthy. And the second one would be for our frontliners. I hope we could shell out even just a little bit of what we have for our frontliners. It's really so heartwarming to see how many people, how many organizations have opened their donation drives, fundraising. But also we need to be responsible, because there are many donation drives and fundraising, but we have to choose those who really have the means to transport what we want the frontliners to get and everything, because we want our money to have a purpose. So let's be responsible givers. Let's be responsible enough to look thoroughly on the benefactors of the donation drives or fundraisings that we give to. So that's it. That's our second one. So we have the first one, stay home and stay healthy. The second one is be responsible giver. And the third one is for the good of everyone. It's really simple. You can do it in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening, any time of the day. I hope you just spare a little of your time and pray for the whole world. It's getting worse, not only here in the Philippines, but in the whole world. This pandemic is really affecting the whole world, and I hope you spare a little of your time. I know there are many religions out there, but we all have ways of praying. For us Catholics like me, praying the rosary would only take half an hour or even less. I think for us it's only 15 or 20 minutes of our time every night. So that wouldn't take so much of your day, right? So I hope you pray for the world. It's a simple thing to do, but it really helps. There guys, that's my take on the Overcome Challenge. I have 3 things for you guys. Stay home and stay healthy. Give responsibly and spare time to pray for the whole world. I know everything that I have said are really simple, but every little thing counts now. I hope we all fight this battle together and do these simple things that I have shared to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I would tag some more people to do videos like this so that every one of us would be informed on what simple gesture we can make to overcome this virus. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. And stay at home and stay healthy, be responsible givers, and spare some time to pray for the world. Bye!